fell. She just transferred here.
Didn't you just move into 112 Ocean Avenue?
Oh, who are you? Some kind of stalker?
What? No.
You recognize that house?
How do you know where I live?
Everyone knows where you live. In 1974, the house drives Ryan DeFeo to kill his whole family.
They were found last night, shot and killed.
Why didn't you tell me about the house?
It's just a ghost story, sweetie.
This house is gonna be good for us.
And your brother.
I miss you.
Sorry.
There's something wrong with this house.
Nothing bad has happened in 40 years.
That's a very significant number in the Bible. The land had peace 40 years. So maybe the evil only latches on every 40 years.
I got a really bad feeling about this.
It's happening again. I think this evil latched onto my family. Is someone else in there with you?
Find the source of the evil and destroy it.
The Red Room. It's doing something. This house is really bad.
It won't let us leave. I feel like it's alive.